Greetings. My name is Walid. Today, I will tell you my daily routine. Actually, everybody has a daily routine to follow. The same is also true for me. I'm a student at university. Every day, I get up early in the morning. At around 5:30 a.m., I brush my teeth and wash my hands and face. After that, I go to the nearest park with my father and do some physical exercises. When I come home, I take a bath and get ready for university. I have my breakfast and then go to school. I study in Baghdad University. I'm in my master degree program. My school is about 15 minutes away from my home. I usually walk to school. My school starts from 8:30 a.m. in the morning and gets over at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. After I come back from school, I have my lunch. Sometimes I take bath after coming back from school. After lunch, I sleep for an hour. At 5 p.m. in the evening, I go out to play with my friends. I come back home about 6 p.m. My mother gives me milk to drink. After that, my private teacher comes to teach me English at home, and she leaves by 10 p.m. When she goes away, I switch on the TV to watch some cartoon shows. After watching TV for an hour, I do my homework and give my private teacher some feedback. After that, around 11 p.m., I watch my favorite English teacher, Walid, to learn some English from his Facebook and YouTube channel. At 12, my mother serves dinner, after which I play a little with my father, so he gives me some good time. Then we go to sleep around 1 a.m. Friday and Saturday are holiday, so they are different. We all go to places in the morning and return after lunch. I enjoy my disciplined daily routine very much, especially with my family. That's why I don't miss anything in my free time. What about you? What kind of daily routine do you have? If you have a daily routine, please share it with me. By the way, I am not a robot. I am the real Walid talking to you. And to prove that, I would say something in Arabic. ربي يحفظكم. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.